Hey, are you still paying for your diagnostics and paying for your check engine light to be checked on your car, paying for your new batteries, your testings to be done, your diagnostics on everything for your car? Why do that when you can go to Autozone? They have free testing, starters, batteries. They have a loan-a-tow program. Like, who wouldn't use that? Who wouldn't go get their check engine light done for free when that's normally like a $95 to a $250 diagnostic fee anywhere you go? Go ahead and go to AutoZone. They'll let you hook up the machine to your car for free, and then they print out your diagnostic right there. Read the codes. You can easily fix the problem yourself. Job easily well done. This is JB Lennox. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming back. And when I grow, you grow, we grow together. Have a good day.